Hey, I'm Billy Hurley. I'm R-3 Rail Gang, spike puller operator, been on the railroad 13 years.
I'm Kyle Morgan. I'm with the R-3 Dual Rail Gang. I've been with them 21 years.
Hey, I'm Tyson Burrell. I'm a laborer on the Dual Rail Gang. I have a total of over 8 years on the railroad. Nothing compares to the work that these men do on a day-to-day basis. It's something to see.
Being on R3 is like family. There's no other words. They're like a big, close-knit group of men. They're like family.
You take care of each other. You're not going to let one be down, regardless if it's home life or out here. We're all in it together.
I think with knowing that we are the lifeline to getting goods and services out to our customers all over the country, that we all have more sense of pride of our jobs.
It is more important now. I mean, we are part of what gets the economy rolling. It takes the trains to get the freight to where it needs to be to get to the shelves so people can get to the shelves to get it all.
With the pandemic that's going on, the country needs the railroad, the freight. To run track speeds, you have to have us out here maintaining the track safely and effectively. Trains can't run track speed, the product don't get to the customer on time.
We keep this rail safe, you know, for our trains to run across and for the engineers and conductors to run across, because at the end of the day, we want to go home to our families and we want them to get home to their families, and we need to get our products to our customers as quick and as efficient as possible.